How you start?
Yeah.
Laptops and cameras.
Selipkan corong oksigen pada hidung dan mulut. Itu apa?
Oh my gosh, you guys, I finally reached Bali. You know, I feel like airports really do create the first impression of a country, and I think right now I'm super excited, and I think Bali's super beautiful just based on the airport itself. Jadi, I'm so excited to see how this trip is going to turn out. I hope you're going to enjoy these 8 to 10 days with me.
We're going to check out warung Indonesia and kolega and pedas.
Pedas. Yang pedas.
Legit, my notes is like 3 words.
My notes is legit 3 words. It's not focusing that way.
Bisa nggak? Abang mau tinggal.
How are you feeling?
Amazing. Feeling great. Even the dog is welcoming me.
Bang, kita pergi sama-sama, Bang. Yeah.
It looks okay.
It's okay. Bersih lah. So these are like offerings given by the Balinese people to the Hindu gods. Sometimes you may find them on the ground. Just be careful not to disturb them. I swear to God, I did not cause that, okay? It was already there.
Water.
Let's look at the content of the offerings. There's usually lots of flowers from what I remember. It's the same here. I think there's even a cracker. Is that a cracker? Yeah. Ooh, the 2 levels.
Got your shoes.
Hello everyone.
Makasih Bu. Dia jatuh. The noodles are a bit different. No, you're supposed to explain why the noodles are different.
Different because it's hand roll. You see? I'm rolling it.
Yeah.
Below is not the dustbin.
Oh, okay, I got it. You can't get it anymore.
Berapa Mi? 2,5?
Yang ini.
Yang mana?
Kemarin ya, katanya di depan dia.
So which beach are we at right now?
Dapat sih.
And that was the end of her YouTube career.
So I'm here at this place called Double Six Beach, and it's honestly like paradise on earth. I swear, I wish I wore better clothes. I wish I wear my beach clothes and my makeup, but you know what? I'm pretty sure we're gonna come back. So no pictures for today for me. I look really like a mess right now, but I have another 8 more days. This is not the only spot of paradise on earth. Dia nggak makan udang?
Mami kasih udang di sana.
Oh, dia semakin mendekat, dia mendekat nih.
Dari kasih nggak mau.
Bro, I don't think we should.
Go.
What are those? I recommend not to stand behind it.
Benar juga.
One thing big shield here.
Benar juga bang.
Dead.
You know, I told them to go buy shampoo and body wash, but instead they all bought like a basket full of snacks. I'm so worried.
God, bro, it's halal. I didn't know that they can put babi in spray. Babi spray. You know what? on this.
We should get Indomie though.
The only one.
Oof. Yes. I've never tried this one before. This one's nice. I love this one. I think sama mata is pretty good.
I kind of see like a very big difference. These are not coffees.
Oh my gosh, can I see? Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. They're supposed to be copies. I think we should buy Indomie.
Huh?
You know, right? Your entire body was cut out just now, so people got to see your face. People probably think you're shitting. Oh my gosh, look at all the junk food.
Anak sekarang ini ya belanja lah tapi ngambil video.
Apa kasih ya? Gudeg Jogja. They have vegetarian food. Hot plate. Oh my god. Ngidam apa, Mi?
Semua kan lihat tuh. Gendrot.
Ooh. That's nice.
Masa sih kamu nemenin nenek? Eka udah mau nangis deh, gue udah gini.
Daddy, your finger. Are you without underwear?
Wih,